topics and I am Anand Main. Genius of India, the story of the Shakespeare of Bhojpuri. Today, Bhojpuri language is going through a crisis, but Bhojpuri language has been a very beautiful language that it has been felt that emotional expression is more strong in this language. Bhojpuri language is a language spoken in the Tarari region of Bihar, Eastern Uttar Pradesh and Nepal, and especially in the Bhojpur district. Earlier, it was known as Sahabar. Bhojpuri language is very wide and Bhikhari Thakur will always be remembered for the identity of this language. The film War of Bihar is incomplete without Bhikhari Thakur. Bhikhari Thakur can be considered the father of open-air theatre in India. He has written 29 books on folk songs. In Hindi literature, the plays of Bhartendu Harishchandra are considered a careers of awakening. But much before that, Bhikhari Thakur has depicted the pain and suffering of women very well in his plays. The literature and film world of Bihar starts with Bhikhari Thakur. Bhikhari Thakur was no open-minded in that times that he talked about the sexual rights of a woman in his play Gobar Chikur. In Gobar Chikur, the woman's husband has gone abroad to earn money and she develops a relationship with another man in the village and advocate for the sexual rights. घर में रहे ढूंढ पांच शेर केहू जोड़न धार एक धार का पंचायत होकात बा खी साफे के भेल हमार भिखारी ठाकुर's art reached Mauritius and many other African countries where intellectual levels from India had gone. Bhikhari Thakur is the barriers of Bihar's culture, a rich heritage, a cultural legacy. You will be surprised to know that he never went to school, never read a book, but he started memorize by listening, and during this time he memorized the Chaupai of Ramcharitmanas, Nirgun Bhajans of Kabir, and couplets of Rahim. In the era of modern technology, there is a crisis of saving folk culture. In such a situation, there is a challenge for Bhojpuri society to save the legacy of Bhikhari Thakur. Bhikhari Thakur was born in a poor and neglected family of Bihar. There is no need to tell what was the plight of the Dalit class. Bhikhari Thakur also used to come from a subcaste of the same Dalit class, Hajam. But the special things about this caste is that this caste becomes very important when the customs and rituals of Hindu religion are required. Then the importance of this caste is considered to be not as much as Brahmin, but to some extent as important. Bhikhari Thakur was born in a Hajam family on 80 December 1887. Being a lower caste, he did not get a chance to study. In his childhood, he used to graze cows and buffaloes. While grazing the animals, he used to sing and hum in his sweet voice. He could not read, but he could remember them by listening to them. Perhaps that is why someone has said that where there is a will, there is a way. If a person willpower is strong, then what is impossible? During this work, the memorize the verses of Ramcharitmanas, Nirgun Bhajan of Kabir, and couplets of Rahim. The journey of Bhikhari Thakur, who became the biggest icon of Bhojpuri music, starts from here. He was born in present day Bhojpuri district, but now, due to chance in the course of the river Ganga, Kutubar has become a part of Saran district in 1926. He was married to Matwa Devi in his childhood and son. He also became the father of Silanath. Now to earn a living for the family, he also had to do his ancestral work of barber. He went to another state in India to earn money after the famine of 1927. But then it was called going abroad to earn money. He first went to Kharagpur and later to Jagannathpur. But during this time, he missed his village and after living abroad for a few years, he returned to his village Kutubar. He belonged to a lower in his music. He knew how to bring a smile on people's face. He also felt the pain in the nonsense of society which perhaps no one would notice. Apart from singing, he also mastered acting and dancing. He also started playing many types of musical instruments. Not only this, he also started giving training to the villagers and formed his own drama trouble. He himself used to be the music director and director of his drama trouble. He did not have any stage to perform plays. Then he used to make a theatre by placing a wooden stool under a shady tree and entertain people with dholak, jhal and manjira. Bhikhari Thakur's drama trouble started entertaining people in every way like Kajri, Holi, Jita, Birha, Chawala, Bansa, Sohar, marriage song, Jagstar, Sorat, Alha, Panchara, Bhajan and Kirtan. But the way Bhikhari Thakur presented social realities in his poetic style, it has sarcasm along with entertainment. He along with his team composed folk songs on all kinds of social evil, that is atrocities against the neglected people in the society, religious orthodoxies, declining trend of joint family, child marriage, mismatched marriages, pain of widows, neglect of the elderly, drug addiction, tourist system and thugs disgust as sons. Bhikhari Thakur, who never went to school, was very talented. He wrote 29 books on folk song and these were in Kathi script which were later written in Devanagari script. Bihar Rashtra Bhasha Parishad has published a complete completion of these in the name of Bhikhari Thakur Rachnavali. Among these folk dramas like Beti Vyog, Videshi, Nanad Bhaujai, Gawar Gichur and Kali Yug Ka Prem were very popular. Beti Vyog is a folk drama based on the sorrow of daughters' departure from their family after marriage, while Videsya is the story of the pain of woman whose husband he has gone abroad to earn a living. Nanad Bhaujai is the story of a quarrelsome relationship between a sister and her brother's wife. Bhikhari Thakur has depicted the pain and suffering of women in his plays very well. The female character of the plays Videsya remembers her husband पिया मोरे गलान परदेश ए बतोही भैया रात नहीं चैन दिन नहीं चैनवा. The great Hindi रात नहीं नींद दिन नहीं चैनवा. The great Hindi greater Rahul Sakritian has written on the folk page of Bhikhari Thakur how much there is in our dialect, how much sharpness it is. All this has been seen in the page of our Bhikhari Thakur. Bhikhari Thakur is our uncut diamond. About 3/4 of Bhikhari Thakur's works are in verse form, in which melodrama, devotion and worldly love, sadness and joy of togetherness, love, hatred and anger, humor, sharp satire are written in verse. Generally, the character of his folk plays come from Dalit and lower caste. This is evident from the names of the character. His character have names like Apar, Udvas, Jhatu, Chatak, Chitra, Akoja and Lobha. At that time, women characters were not available for play, so men used to play the role of women. He started inspiring good minds of his work. Obviously, Rahul Sankrityan has pointed out the need for more research and study on Bhikhari Thakur. Some analysis politic compare Bhikhari Thakur to the famous 16th century playwright Shakespeare and remember him as Shakespeare of Bhojpuri. But from an academic point of view, it is more prudent to let Bhikhari Thakur remain Bhikhari Thakur, and Thakur spent the major part of his life in live performance on issue that trouble the common people in rural areas. Bhikhari Thakur grew up watching Ram Leela and Ras Leela in his surrounding. In the last year of his life, he has spent most of his time in devotion to Lord Ram, Sita, Krishna and Ganesh. Bhikhari Thakur died on 10 July 1971 in his native